Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mission 3 Mars. Like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget my video. Launch day is almost here. NASA's Perseverance rover is all packed away and ready to head for Mars on Thursday, July 30. NASA will live stream as the event as the car-sized rover takes off from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida on a United Launch Alliance ULA Atlas V rocket. Pre-launch coverage starts at 4 a.m. PT and the 2 hours window opens at 4:50 a.m. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.